Your joy is coming back. God restores what sorrow tried to steal. The pain you felt, the heaviness you carried, the moments that left you feeling empty, God is restoring it all. Tears don't last forever, even when it feels like they do. Even when the nights feel long and heavy, they are not permanent. The Bible says that joy comes in the morning. That means this season of sadness is not your final chapter. What felt heavy will feel lighter again. What felt broken will begin to heal. What felt lost will be restored. You may not see it yet, but God is already working behind the scenes. He is healing your heart. He is renewing your strength. He is bringing peace back into your life. Little by little, day by day, joy is returning. Not all at once, but gently. In small moments, in quiet peace, in unexpected smiles. Even in the middle of your healing, God is giving you glimpses of joy again. Moments where you breathe a little easier. Moments where the weight doesn't feel as heavy. That is Him restoring you. God knows exactly what you've been through. He saw every tear. He heard every silent prayer. He understands every part of your pain. And He has not forgotten you. He is turning your sorrow into something beautiful. He is taking what hurt you and using it to strengthen you. He is bringing light into the places that once felt dark. So don't give up now. Don't believe the lie that this is how it will always be, because it won't. Joy is on the way. Healing is happening. Restoration is taking place. Even if you can't feel it yet, God is moving. And one day, you will look back and see how He carried you through it all. You will see how He restored your heart, how He lifted the weight, how He brought joy back into your life. And it will make sense. So hold on, keep trusting, keep believing, because this season is not the end. It's the beginning of something new. And Lord, restore the joy in my heart. Where there has been heaviness, bring peace. Where there has been sadness, bring comfort. Heal every place in me that feels broken. Remind me that joy is still possible, even after everything I've been through. Help me trust that better days are coming. Help me believe that this pain will not last forever. Even in the waiting, give me moments of peace. Even in the process, remind me that you are near. Fill my heart with your peace. Renew my spirit and bring back the joy that only you can give, because I know you are faithful and I know you are restoring me. That once felt empty. Fill every part of me with your peace. Fill every part of me with your light. Remind me that joy is not just a feeling. It's a promise from you, a promise that no matter what I've been through, I can still experience peace. I can still experience hope. I can still smile again, even after the pain, even after the disappointment, even after the seasons that felt too heavy to carry. Lord, help me not to hold on to what hurt me. Help me release the past, release the pain, release the weight I was never meant to carry. Because you're doing something new in me. You are restoring what was lost. You are renewing what was broken. You are making my heart whole again. And even if the process takes time, help me trust it. Help me believe that each day I am getting stronger. Each day I am healing. Each day I am being restored. Even on the days when it feels slow. Remind me that you're still working. Even on the days when I feel tired. Remind me that you are still carrying me. Even on the days when I feel like I've made no progress. Remind me that growth is still happening within me. Lord, help me to notice the small changes, the moments of peace I didn't have before, the strength I didn't realize I gained, the hope that is quietly returning to my heart, because those moments matter. There are signs that you are restoring me, and when I look back, I will see how far you've brought me. I will see the healing. I will see the growth. I will see the strength that came from what I went through. So I will not rush the process. I will not doubt your work. I will trust that you are doing something beautiful in my life. Something deeper than I can see. Something greater than I can understand. Something that will bring real, lasting joy. Not temporary joy, but joy that stays. Joy that remains through every season. Joy that isn't shaken by circumstances. Joy that comes from being close to you. And Lord, help me protect that joy. When negativity tries to return, guard my heart. When doubt tries to rise, strengthen my mind. Let nothing take away what you are building in me. Because what comes from you is strong. What comes from you is lasting. What comes from you cannot be taken away. And when life tries to test that joy, remind me where it comes from. Not from circumstances, not from people, but from you alone. So no matter what comes next, help me hold on to that joy, to walk in it, to live in it, to carry it into every part of my life, and let that joy overflow into my words, into my actions, into the way I treat others. Let it be a light to those around me, a reminder that you restore, a reminder that you heal, a reminder that you bring joy again, because it comes from you, and what comes from you can never be taken away. And Lord, because what you give is lasting, help me hold on to it with a grateful heart. A heart that remembers your goodness. A heart that recognizes your presence. A heart that chooses joy, even in the middle of the process. Teach me to not take this joy for granted. Not to overlook the peace you've given me. Not to forget how far you've brought me. Because there were moments I didn't think I would make it through. Moments that felt overwhelming. Moments that felt too heavy to carry. Yet you were there. You sustained me. You strengthened me. You carried me when I couldn't carry myself. And now you are restoring me, little by little, day by day. So help me stay aware of your work in my life, even in the small things, even in the quiet moments. Help me see your hand in everything, in the peace I feel, in the strength I'm gaining, in the hope that continues to rise within me. Lord, let this joy take root in my heart. Let it grow deeper each day. Let it become something unshakable, so that no matter what I face, I remain steady, not because life is perfect, but because you are with me. And even when emotions come and go, help me stay anchored in your truth, that your joy is constant, that your love is unchanging. Help me not to depend on how I feel, but to stand on who you are. Help me carry this joy into every season, into the good days, into the difficult days, into the unknown days ahead. Let it be a constant reminder that I am never alone, that I am always held by you. And when challenges come again, help me remember this moment, this peace, this restoration, this joy that you are building within me. So I won't lose hope. So I won't fall back into fear, but instead I will stand firm in faith, trusting that the same God who restored me before will continue to restore me again and again. Because your work in my life is ongoing. It doesn't stop. It doesn't fade. It only grows stronger. And even when I don't see the full picture, help me trust that you are still writing my story. A story of healing, a story of growth, a story filled with your goodness and grace. So I will keep trusting you. I will keep walking with you. And I will keep holding on to the joy that comes from you alone. I'm in. Comment joy.